ladies and gentlemen. Deborah Kuykendall from the City of Park Park and Recreation. This is Senior Services Cooking 101. We are making cheesy ham broccoli bake for two. The ingredients are 4 ounces of pasta uncooked, 1 teaspoon of cooking oil, 1/3 cup of whole milk, 4 ounces of cream cheese, salt and pepper to taste. I'm also omitting the 1/2 cup of shredded white cheddar, but I'm adding the 1/4 cup of diced ham. And 1 cup of frozen broccoli. I'm choosing broccoli and cauliflower, and it's steamable. Okay, here we go. We're going to go put our our macaroni in our water that is boiling, that has been salted. And it says 4 ounces. I'm going to do 2 handfuls since I don't really have a cup, and my hands are clean. And I got one walked away. All right, we're going to let that boil. Stirring occasionally. There we go, so it don't stick. And now we are going to start and our olive oil and our milk and our cream cheese so that we can get it melted. A little olive oil in the bottom. You can use olive oil, you can use cooking oil, canola oil, whatever kind of oil you choose. I like the taste of olive oil. Okay, I'm going to get my cream cheese in here, and you're going to get your hands dirty because cream cheese. There we are. And our 1/3 of a cup of milk. 1/3 cup. Spoon. Get it to hopefully softening soon. Cream cheese takes a little time to soften and mix up. All right. Let it go for a second. So we'll stick that in there. And we'll do one there. And we'll go over here and start our oven at 350. And let it preheat while we're getting this all together. Let me stir my macaroni and cheese here so it doesn't stick on the bottom. Or macaroni, not cheese. It will be cheesy. Okay, so while we're doing this and getting it all mixed up, we're going to add our chopped ham, which we have chopped up previously. It's the ham, any kind of ham. This is from a ham bone. I chopped it all up, got it ready for us. Got a real good taste, real good flavor. We will cook the macaroni until it is al dente, almost done. We'll drain it with this spoon here, put it in the mixture here along with the broccoli and cauliflower. Stick it in the oven. And we're going to take our broccoli and cauliflower and dump it in there. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Looks like a meal to me. Looks really good. The cheese will thicken as it bakes in the oven, so it'll be a little thicker. Or if you want to do this on the stovetop in a pan like this, let it boil, the cheese will thicken that way too. I'm not going to salt and pepper this because the cheese has enough salt for me. It's strictly up to the individual. If you want to salt and pepper it, I would taste it before I salt and peppered it because it does have a little, the cheese has salt. And as I have learned, depending on the macaroni is how long it takes for it to cook. The macaroni and cheese in the box doesn't take as long as, say, just nothing with the macaroni. It just takes a little longer to cook. These are smaller macaronis, some are bigger. It depends on what you want. preference of the macaroni noodles. And now what we will do is put the macaroni noodles in the mixture here. At home, I would suggest you use a colander strainer. But I don't have one here at this time. Like I said, the macaroni noodles are al dente because it's going to cook in the oven or on top of the stove, whichever you prefer. Okay? So let's let it cook for just a second here until I get my little pan here. There. Okay. Turn the fire off. Try to get it as much as we can in the pan. There we are. Put it back. Spread this out. If you want to add cheese on top, do. I think it's got enough cheese, but that's just my preference. Alright, if you will excuse me, I want to get it in the oven. And it'll bake for, maybe 10-15 minutes, depending on how you want. Some people like their macaroni noodles not so done, some like them more done. Test it, 15-20 minutes max. This is the finished product of the cheesy ham, broccoli, and cauliflower bake for two. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being with me at the Cooking 101 class today. I look forward to seeing you next month for another Cooking 101 class. Have a lovely day.